In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Microsoft Loop. Whether you're preparing a document for a meeting or simply need a hard copy for your records, we've got you covered with a simple, seamless guide. Let's dive right in, and by the end of this video, you'll be all set to print your Microsoft Loop content with ease. First things first, you'll want to begin by searching for Microsoft Loop in your preferred browser. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser, simply type Microsoft Loop into the search bar and hit Enter. Essentially, what you're looking for is the official Microsoft Loop website in your search results. Once there, you'll easily spot the correct link to click on. This step is crucial, as it ensures you're accessing the legitimate platform with all its functionalities intact. Once you've landed on the website, the next step is signing in. You can do this by entering your Microsoft account credentials. Now, if you don't have a Microsoft account, it's a quick process to set up, and you'll need it to access your Loop files. Always remember to keep your login information secure and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. With your credentials entered, click the Sign In button, and you'll be smoothly directed to your Microsoft Loop dashboard. From your dashboard or home page, navigate to the specific Microsoft Loop page that you intend to print. This could be a project plan, a brainstorming session, or any other type of document you have created within Loop. Accessing this space is as simple as browsing through your recent files or using the search function at the top of the page if you know the file name. Make sure the content you wish to print is finalized and open on your screen. Now, here's where we get closer to the printing action. Look for the More option on the page. This option is often represented by an ellipsis or 3 vertical dots, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, look for the Print PDF option and select it. This will prepare your document for printing. Before downloading the file as a PDF, Microsoft Loop gives you the flexibility to customize the document. You can tweak things like page orientation, margins, or the specific pages you wish to include in your printout. Adjust these settings to your liking to ensure that your printed document serves its intended purpose precisely. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, download the document to your computer. Finally, with your PDF secured on your computer, you're ready to send it to your printer. Open the PDF, go to your print settings, and ensure your printer is connected and ready. With everything set, hit Print and wait for your document to emerge from the printer. And there you have it, a clear and concise way to print your files from Microsoft Loop.